Hi, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily place an order on DHgate. So if you're using a PC or desktop to access DHgate, just head over to the search bar and type dhgate.com. Then from here, just make sure that you're logged into your account. Then next on the website, just choose the item that you want to check out. So since DHgate is China-based store, so there are items that cannot be shipped out depending on your region. So from here, we're just going to try to check out a wig. Then once done, just click on buy now. Next, you will be redirected to the checkout page. Just enter your address in this section. And also a reminder that the only payment method available on DHgate is via card. So before you check out, just enter your card details. Then once you're done entering all your card details, just click on pay now. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily place an order on DHgate. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!